Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Sarveshwar and today we will discuss how to remove outliers in a co-integrated spot and future series. So here suppose I say very simple example. Dear friends, I starts from the shifter. Suppose we have two files, one is spot and one is futures, ITC spot and ITC futures. This is the data I'm having per minute to minute by minute data for Indian market for the Indian Tobacco Company for spot and futures. And I can see when I match them because for analysis of co-integration between spot and futures, I need a series. Just let me clear the entire slat. No, okay. Okay, so we need a series that is synchronous. So by using merge command, as I have shown my earlier videos, I am merging that. Now we have a series here, uh, ITC matched. In that I series, I'm having a timestamp, spot, and futures price. Those are synchronized. As we can see here very clearly, it's coming. I'm just naming the columns, spot and futures. Uh, okay, it's coming. It's taking some time. Because the data is very, it's almost 2,76,000 observations for sport and futures as well. And one more thing I need to mention here, we need high frequency package. So first install and mm, activate it just to use here. Okay, then here we can see we have the data point from 9 hours 16 minutes, 17 minutes, 18 minutes, and this is the per minute data for spot and futures of ITC in Indian equity market. So this is synchronous series, but sometimes what happens, the difference between spot and futures is more than 5%, 10%. The cap in the research papers we see sometimes. So we need to remove these outliers. Suppose I say spot is 200 and future is 250. So I don't think it's possible. It is like manual error because when we handle tick by tick data given by NSE, what we do, we take spot from somewhere else and futures from somewhere else. So it's not like um, we are taking two different things from two different places. So there might be chances uh, they might be different. The outliers we are seeing, those are because of manual errors in feeding in the system. So what we can do here, uh, we can put some limit, like if the difference between spot and futures is more than 5% or 10%, we will remove and we'll consider these outliers. We could mention it in research paper. So now what can we do here? We are having a synchronized series ITC matched. This is the file here, and now I want to just indicate what are the data points. So here I'm just saving, I'm saying key, I'm using some commands like ITC matched ka first column. Here this is my ITC, first column is spot and second is future. So what I'm saying in this command, key ITC matched ka first column is greater than 10%. The limit I'm setting here is 10%, is greater than 1.10 of ITC matched का second column, that is futures. So if spot price is more than 1.10, that is 10% of, if it is more than mm, uh, so if we can simply say, it is, if spot price is more than 1.1 of that, that is if it is more than 10%, the difference between spot and future is more than 10%, we are going to remove that. So what we are, and I'm just converted in numbers because this time, because we are using high frequency or XTS package, that means the series we are having, it is in text format, so I need to convert in numeric form. So this giving me second column converted in numeric 1.10 time, and then if spot is more than 1.10 futures, that is like more than 10%, what are that data points, which data points are so, and again I am putting length, this is giving me the number. Like suppose I say 5 and 6 number are there, so there are two. In this way, by using length command, I am just how many numbers those are occurring having more than 10% difference between spot and futures. So I'm just running this command. Zero. There is no such observation here. Similarly, if I say for vice versa command, second column, first here, just reversing the positions. If future is more than, if the difference between future and spot is more than 10%, if future is more than 10%, there is one possibility here. It's not possibility, it's exact. So which one is that? So this which command I can use here, and I'm just running this way. So 66,209 observation is that one, which is having, in which futures price is more than 1.1 of spot price. So 66209 I have put here, and I can just bring uh, by subsetting that from ITC matched file. I'm subsetting it, and so this is the observation that is on 5th October 2012. Here we can see uh, at 9 o'clock 51 a.m. when the spot price was 220 and future price was 277. This difference is more than 25%, which is not possible, and we can check it. Okay, we can, what we can we do here, we can uh, for the 8th observation we can see 1 lakh before the prices was 275 and 277, and 1 lakh after we can see what are the prices. Similarly, uh, uh, here if I see it is 274 and 277, so difference is not more than 1%. So how could it be, how come this is possible? So what can we do? We can remove this. Simply what we can do here now, okay, one more thing here. Just if this difference is very big, there should be some spike in the graph. So if we plot it on the graph, we see here, this is the graph here. We can see this is the spike here. This spike is because of that. So if we just remove that and we again make this graph, this spike will be removed. So what can I do here? Uh, um, I will write command ITC matched is equal to ITC matched and minus. I just want to remove this column. This row or observation would be removed from that, and now it has been removed. So how now what can we do here? Again, when we plot the graph, this spike must be removed. Okay, it's very simple. It's coming. It will take time because we are uh, plotting spot and futures of 2,50,000 observations. So it may take some seconds. It's coming. So this is the way, friends, by which we can, here we can see now the spike has been removed. So this is the way we can remove the outliers between spot and futures if the difference is more than 10%. This gap depends upon you and your literature in your area. So thank you, friends. Keep watching.